Hello everyone. Today we will see lesson number 1 from geometry, similarity. In this lesson, first we will see ratio of areas of two triangles. Children, you have already studied how to calculate the area of triangle. The formula to calculate area of triangle is half into base into height. Now look at the figure. In the figure, triangle ABC is given, AD is the height. So, to calculate area of triangle ABC using the formula, it will be half into base into height. It means half into BC into AD. Now, let us see how to find the ratio of areas of two triangles. When we find the ratio, we divide a quantity by other. For example, to find the ratio of numbers A and B, it will be A upon B, which is written as A is to B. Let us find the ratio of areas of given triangle. If you look at the figure, there are two triangles ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. So, to find the area of triangle ABC using the formula, it will be half into BC into AD, whereas area of triangle PQR will be equal to half into QR into PS. So, if we divide these two areas, half will get cancelled and you will get area of ratio of areas of two triangle equals to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2 if B1 is the base and H1 is the height of first triangle and B2 is the base and H2 is the height of second triangle. Let us study a condition based on this. If the heights of both triangles are equal, then how to apply this? Look at the figure given. ABC is the triangle in which BC is the base and AD is the height, which is denoted by H. In triangle PQR, QR is the base and H is the height. Both the heights are equal. So, to find the ratio of areas of these two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, will be equal to half into base into height divided by half into base into height. If we substitute the value, it will come BC into H divided by QR into H. H being the same term getting cancelled, you will get BC upon QR. So, A1 upon A2 will be equal to B1 upon B2. From this, we can conclude a property that ratio of areas of two triangles having equal height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases, that is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 provided the heights of triangle are equal. Let us understand this property by solving an example. In the given example, triangle ABC, in which AD is the altitude of the triangle, BD is given 7, BC is equal to 20, then find the ratio of areas of triangle ABD and ADC. Let us see this. Now, if BC is equal to 20, how to find DC? By subtracting 7 from 20, that is DC will be equal to BC minus BD. Therefore, DC will be equal to 13. Let us find first area of triangle ABD by using the formula. That is half into BD into AD. Area of triangle ADC will be equal to half into DC into AD. Let us find the ratio. Area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC will be equal to half into 7 into h divided by half into 13 into h. Half being equal, it will get cancelled. H also will be cancelled, giving us the answer as 7 upon 13. So, a ratio of area of triangle ABD is to area of triangle ADC will be equal to 7 is to 13. Now children, using this property, there are some questions which are given which you people are going to solve as assignment. Thank you.